Ever found yourself in Australia, staring at an unexpected bill, with payday still a few days or even a week away? It's a common scenario, and for many, the immediate thought turns to traditional loans, with their sometimes hefty interest rates and lengthy application processes. But what if there was a way to bridge that gap without getting caught in a debt spiral? What if you could access a portion of your own earned wages before your official payday with a simple, transparent fee? That's precisely where Beforepay comes in. It's an Australian-based pay advance service designed to give you quick access to your money when you need it most, helping you manage those short-term cash flow challenges without the complexities of traditional lending. Think of it less as a loan and more as getting an advance on your own salary. So, how exactly does this convenient service work in Australia? Let's break it down, step by step. The journey with Beforepay begins by downloading their app. It's available on both iOS and Android, and it's the central hub for managing your advances. Once you've got the app, you'll need to set up your account. This involves linking your primary bank account, the one where your salary is regularly deposited. This is crucial because Beforepay's system needs to analyze your income and spending patterns to determine your eligibility and set your cash-out limit. Speaking of eligibility, Beforepay has a few key criteria. You generally need to be earning at least $300 after tax per week, have a regular pay schedule, like weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, and your salary must be deposited directly into your linked bank account by your employer. They don't typically do traditional credit checks, which can be a relief for many. Instead, their assessment is based on your real-time income and expenditure, using AI and machine learning to calculate a safe borrowing limit for you. This limit can be up to $2,000, though for new users, it might start lower, typically between $50 and $1,000. Once your account is set up and your eligibility is confirmed, getting a pay advance is incredibly straightforward. Within the app, you'll see your available cash-out limit. You simply select the amount you need, up to that limit. The funds are then transferred directly into your nominated bank account, often within minutes, though in some cases, it can take up to 2 business days depending on your bank. This speed is a major selling point, especially when you're facing an urgent expense. Now, let's talk about the cost. This is where Beforepay differentiates itself significantly from traditional loans. There's no interest charged. Instead, Beforepay operates on a single, fixed transaction fee, a flat 5% of the amount you advance. So, if you take out $100, the fee is just $5, meaning you'll repay a total of $105. There are no hidden fees, no ongoing charges, and no late fees if you happen to miss a payment, though missing a payment will prevent you from taking out further advances until the outstanding amount is repaid. Repaying your advance is designed to be just as simple as getting it. Beforepay automatically sets up a repayment based on your next payday. You can choose to repay the full amount in a single lump sum, or you can opt to split it across up to 4 installments, as long as the full repayment is completed within 62 days from your cash-out date. The repayment, plus the 5% fee, is automatically deducted from your linked bank account. They also offer some flexibility. You can choose to repay early through the app, or if things get tight, you can delay a repayment once per cash out, also directly from the app. Beyond the Pay Advance feature, Beforepay also offers budgeting tools and spending insights within their app. This free service helps users understand their financial habits, track their income and expenses, and plan for upcoming bills, aiming to promote more responsible money management overall. It's a thoughtful addition that aligns with their mission to empower Australians to take control of their finances. Beforepay serves as a modern solution for those unexpected financial bumps in the road, offering a quick, transparent, and fee-based alternative to traditional credit. It's about providing access to your own earned money, on your terms, to help you bridge that gap until payday. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.